Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make effective Brawl Stars YouTube shorts. First, begin by opening your Brawl Stars game and getting ready to record some action-packed gameplay. Choose a brawler you enjoy playing and focus on achieving impressive plays, like multi-kills or last-second victories. Remember, your goal is to capture exciting footage, so concentrate on dynamic, fast-paced sequences that will grab attention. Keep your recordings brief and to the point. To capture high-quality footage, use your device's built-in screen recorder or a trusted third-party app. Make sure your game audio is enabled and clear for an immersive experience. While playing, actively look for those highlight reel moments, such as a perfectly timed super or an epic comeback. Record a little more than you need, perhaps 2 to 3 minutes, so you have options. High-definition recording will make your shorts look much more professional and visually appealing. Now it is time to refine your raw footage into a captivating short. Use a simple video editing app on your phone or computer. Trim your clip to its most exciting parts, aiming for a runtime of under 1 minute. Add text overlays that highlight specific actions, like triple kill or clutch save. Consider incorporating popular Brawl Stars sound effects or a high-energy, royalty-free music track to boost engagement. The quicker the pace, the better, so avoid any dull moments. Finally, upload your polished Brawl Stars short to YouTube. Make sure to use the specific #shorts hashtag. This is crucial for the YouTube algorithm to classify your video correctly. Craft a catchy title, perhaps mentioning the brawler used or the highlight featured, like Poco's epic heal or Morty's dash dominance. Add a brief, engaging description and ask a question to encourage comments. Remember to interact with your viewers, fostering a positive community, which truly helps your channel grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.